Are you experiencing website visitors who bounce off your site without taking action? Do you struggle to keep up with customer inquiries? Introducing the Retell Agent Y, your website's new secret weapon for turning website visitors into happy customers. It's a powerful tool that empowers you to connect with your audience in real time. We're moving past the days of clunky contact forms and impersonal email systems. The future of customer interaction is here, and it's all about instant, personalized conversations. With Retell Agent, you can proactively engage visitors, offer immediate support, and guide them through your website. It's like having a dedicated customer service representative available 24/7. Imagine a potential customer landing on your product page. The Retell Agent immediately greets them, answers their questions, and guides them to a purchase. The benefits are clear: increased engagement, higher conversion rates, and a more positive customer experience. Retell Agent isn't just another tool, it's an investment in your success.